Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve this nice geometrical problem in which ACDF is a trapezium and the line segment BE is perpendicular to the side AC, where BE is X units and we have to find out the value of X, and sides AB and BC are 15 and 25, where sides CD and AF are 18 and 42 units respectively. So in order to solve this question, very first we will drop a perpendicular from D on side AF. With this manner, we will have a rectangle like CD, and let's call this point as M. So if we drop a perpendicular from D on AF and let's call its foot as M, and this perpendicular will also act as a perpendicular on line segment BE, and let's call its foot as P. So with this manner, we also have a rectangle that is ACDM. So if side length CD is 18 units, that means AM will also be 18 units, and AF is in total, that is 42. That means MF will be equal to 42 negative 18 units. That will be equal to 24 units. So with this manner, we have MF equal to 24 units, and let's call PE as Y units. So here we have to find out the length of BE, and we have assumed PE as Y, and here BP will be 18 units. So here BP is equal to 18 units, and here our objective is to find out the value of Y. So in order to find the value of Y, we will be using basic proportionality theorem in triangle DMF. In fact, in triangle DMF, PE is parallel to MF. So in this triangle, the sides, in fact the corresponding sides of the two triangles will be in proportion. That means here we will have DP divided by DM equal to PE divided by MF. So if we put all the known values, so from here we will have DP, that is equal to 25, and DM, that is equal to AC, that will be 25 plus 15, that will be 50. In fact, it will be 40. So further, PE, that is we have assumed it as Y, so we will put its value, that is Y, and MF, that is 24. So with this manner, the value of Y will be equal to 24 multiplied, in fact 25 multiplied 24 divided by 40. So if we simplify it, means 8 will divide 24 and 40 respectively. So from here we will have 3 and 5, and further we will have 5. That means the value of Y will be equal to 5 multiplied 3. So from here we will have Y is equal to 5 3s are 15, that will be 15. So further, from here we can write BE. In fact, we have to find out the value of X, that is equal to BE, and BE can be written as BP plus PE. So here the value of BP is 18 and the value of PE is Y, that is 15. So after adding these two quantities, we will have 15 and 18, that will be 33. That means the value of X in this question will be 33, and this is the final answer of the question.